In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rejoin a Telegram group that you left. Let's start with the most important point. Whether or not you can rejoin a group on Telegram really depends on a few things, like the group's privacy settings and how you left in the first place. So we'll walk through what you can do in different situations, step by step, and I'll point out what to look for along the way. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop, and make sure you're signed in to the same account you used when you were originally in the group. This matters because membership is tied to your account, not your device. If the group was public, the process is usually very simple. Tap on the search bar at the top of Telegram, then type the name of the group as best as you remember it. Telegram will show you a list of results that match your search. Look for the group in the search results. You can usually recognize it by its profile picture and description. Tap on it to open the group's info page. If it's public and still open, you should see a Join button at the bottom. Just tap Join and you'll be added back to the group right away. If you don't see the group in search, or if you remember that it was a private group, things work a bit differently. Private groups typically do not appear in search results, and once you leave, you usually can't rejoin on your own without an invite link or approval from an admin. In that case, think back to how you joined the group originally. If you joined through an invite link, check your chat history or any places where that link might have been shared with you, like another Telegram chat or an email. If the link is still active, you can tap it again and you'll see an option to join the group. If you don't have a working invite link, your next option is to contact one of the group admins or someone who is still a member. Send them a message explaining that you left the group and would like to rejoin, and ask them to either re-add you or share a fresh invite link. Once you receive that link, tap it, review the group name to confirm it's the right one, and then tap Join. Keep in mind that some groups have strict rules, and admins may choose not to re-add people who left or were removed. If that happens, there isn't a technical workaround. Access is controlled by the group admins. By following these approaches, searching for public groups, using old invite links if they're still valid, or reaching out to admins, you'll have the best chance of rejoining a Telegram group you previously left.